Hi friends, this is exercise 2.2. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial. So your duty, first you have to find zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Next duty, after finding zeros, you have to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So first we have that ax square, okay, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a standard format of quadratic equation. So here coefficients is nothing but a, b, c. These are we called coefficients. So what is the relation between coefficients and zeros? For zeros we have formula x minus alpha. Alpha is 0. X minus beta. Beta is another 0. So the quadratic equation means we have two zeros. For quadratic equation, how many zeros? Two zeros are there. Okay. So now this is zeros. Alpha and beta are the zeros. And this is coefficients. A, B, C are the coefficients. So we have to find the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So zeros is alpha plus beta. Okay. Is equal to minus b by a. That is your coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Minus b by a. And one more relation we have, which is product of the zeros, alpha into beta. Product of the zeros equal to constant term here, c by coefficient of x square, c by a. So this is the relation. This only we want to verify. First find the zeros. So first question, we have to find the zeros, x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now we have to find zeros of this polynomial. Which value make this function become 0, that we have to find. So product of two number is minus 8, sum of two number is minus 2, that is 2 4s are 8. When you take difference, minus 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So sum of two number is minus 2, product of two number is minus 8. So the answer become x plus 2 and x minus 4. So now I factorize. After the factorize, alpha, beta we have to find. What is your alpha? Alpha equal to minus 2 because x minus alpha. Here x minus alpha equal to minus 2. Beta equal to 4. So we have to verify the relationship alpha plus beta, which is minus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 2. What is your b by minus b by a? We have to check minus b by a. What is b value? B value is minus 2. So a value is 1, b value is minus 2, c value is minus 8. So minus b by a, minus of minus 2 by 1, which is 2. So now both are same. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, verified. One more relation we can verify, that is alpha into beta. What is your alpha value? Alpha value is minus 2, beta value is 4. So minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 4 minus 8. And c by a. What is c value? Minus 8. A is 1. So minus 8. Through these steps, alpha into beta equal to c by a, verified. So we go for the second problem. Dear students, here we have the questions 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Now this is a minus b whole square formula. So using that formula we can write this is 2s whole square minus 2 into 2s plus 1 square. Like that we can write this equation. Yeah, you are correct. This is 2s minus 1 whole square. So a minus b whole square formula we can apply. So what is that? 2s minus 1 equal to 0, s equal to 1. Minus 1 become plus 1, 2 will divide. So I said this is quadratic equation. When quadratic equation should have two values. How many values? Two values. So both the values are alpha equal to 1 by 2, beta also 1 by 2. Even if you go by factorized method, the roots alpha and beta is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So we can verify that what is alpha plus beta? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. We can write 2 by 2, which is 1, minus b by a, minus what is b? A, b, c. We can find it. What is a? A is 4, b is okay, a is 4, b is minus 4, c is 1, minus b by a. So minus of minus 4 by a is 4. Minus of minus is plus, 4 by 4 is 1. Yeah, both are same. So verified. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Verified. We can go for alpha into beta. What is alpha? 1 by 2. What is beta? 1 by 2. Multiply become 1 by 4. Good. What is c by a? Yeah, c is 1. The value c is 1. A is 4. So 1 by 4. Both are same. So alpha into beta equal to c by a is verified. So we go to the next question. Third question. Dear students, third question, just they tried to confuse you by giving the order 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. This is not proper order. So you are brilliant. Change the x in the middle. Minus 7x minus 3. Yeah, now we have proper quadratic equation, proper order. So you don't be confused by seeing that orders. Now we have to factorize 6 into 3. What is 6 into 3? The first term and last term multiply. 6 3s are minus 18. So 18 we can split into 2 into 9 by adding I want minus 7. So put here minus 9. Okay. Now middle term you can split the middle term. We can get the answer 6x square minus 7x split into plus 2x minus 9x minus 3. So now I split the middle term into 2x and minus 9x. I split like that. Now take common. 2x is common. Divided by 2x become 3x. Divided by 2x plus 1. Here you can take common, minus 3 common. Divided by minus 3 become 3x. Divided by minus 3 become plus 1. Yeah, 3x plus 1 which is common. The balance 2x minus 3. So what is the alpha and beta? We can find alpha beta. We can write like that, 3x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 3. This is your alpha. Similarly, what is your beta? 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. So now we find alpha and beta. Come on, alpha plus beta equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Now take LCM. 2 3s are 6. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 3 3s are 9. So we have 7 by 6. This is your alpha plus beta. So what is your minus b by a? Minus b by a. So what is your b value? You can come here. The a value is 6. B value is minus 7. C value is minus 3. Substitute here. Minus of minus 7 by a value 6. 7 by 6. Yeah, both are same. So we can write alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a is verified. Similarly, we can go for alpha into beta also. We can verify. Alpha into beta. What is alpha? Alpha is your minus 1 by 3. What is your beta? 3 by 2. 3 get cancelled, minus 1 by 2. So what is the value for C by A? C is your minus 3. Minus 3 by 6. A is 6. By cancel by 3, minus 1 by 2. Yes sir, I verified alpha into beta by C by A is verified. So third question also we verified. Like that, balance 4, 5, 6 you can do as the homework.